Hi guys, it's MJ Lax recording from Luxembourg. I hope everyone is well, and I just wanted to give you an update in a video format again as a lot is happening, so I thought that would be a best format for that. So first of all, we have Cineworld reporting earnings. They were pretty good, so the loss is quite narrow, it's less than expected. And there was a potential news of listing in America. So AMC, which became a meme stock operating in the cinema industry. If Cineworld is listed in the US as well, obviously that would attract a lot of new investors. So this is potentially positive news. So the stock is 5-6% up based on these news. So this is great. Also, Capita has been phenomenal. So Capita has been growing about 5% a day. It went from about 33 to 48, so almost 50% jump in the last week or so. So the great thing is it's really growing every day. So it became our third position, fighting now with Aston Martin, that also took off. We have some good news from the UK this morning that the Delta variant is not devastating the economy as much. And so a lot of UK stocks have been growing. So among them, Capita, Cineworld, and also Aston Martin. And I think, we've been around this £2,000 2000p value for a while. And now we finally broke this. So I think we are on the way to 2.8 there is an important resistance at about 2,200. So I really want to see the stock crossing this level, hopefully with increased volume. And if we do that, that'll be great, and hopefully on the way to about 2,500, 2,800 quite quickly. So that's great. These are amazing news in the UK. So I'm very, very happy. China today did okay. Yada went over 1.5% up, I think. And the rest of the stocks were kind of a little bit down, a little bit up. So nothing dramatic there. We had earnings from Evofem overnight. Well, it was 10:30 European time yesterday. I didn't join the call specifically, but I look at the news, and we missed the revenue quite substantially. So that's bad news. But we beat earnings per share. The loss is much smaller than expected. So pre-market, there's no such a big movement. But it will be interesting to see. I'm bullish on the company. It has amazing revenue projections. So it is a little bit negative that the revenue was a disappointment this quarter, but obviously it's also a big growth from previous quarters as well. Baidu, I just received a lot of news from Baidu. So the revenue rose 20%, and we have quarterly loss per ad of $1.7. So that's not good. So I need to look closer into Baidu earnings, but the first look is not so positive. So we have -3% pre-market. So this is the period of earnings. Earnings have big impact on the stock price. Like I'm saying, Baidu is falling down. It's already very low, but on bad earnings, obviously, this is not positive news. Yesterday, also big movements. We have Unity growing over 10%. So we have over 1% exposure to Unity. And VIX, so VIX.com, the website business, it went 20% down. So I actually bought it at 214. I used to have it from 230 to about 260. I was trading around the position, but I think everything below 230 is a fantastic price. So I sold the short on SPX, and I bought a bit more VIX. I also sold a little bit of Micron that was falling. And so that's very interesting. Big movements. Micron has been falling. Taylor Morrison was 4% up yesterday. So also big movements. And obviously China, we'll see about Baidu how strong it is. Boxlight is reporting earnings. It's growing pre-market, so hopefully that's going to be a big winner. And IRO, I wrote about it, quite neutral. So hopefully the stock price will go up, since it's really down since February or so. So I think this is it. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll write a longer post or a video, record a video soon.